Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute little kitty toy. Great for a little stocking stuffer for your furry baby. All the information you need will be down in the description box below. The size hook, the type of yarn that I use, anything that you might need, the pattern if you want the written pattern. So to start off, you're going to make 2 mouse ears. You're going to make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it, and then finish off and make a second ear the same way. For the mouse body, make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase in each stitch all the way around. You'll have 12 stitches at the end of the round. For round 3, do 1 single crochet and an increase, and repeat that all the way around. You'll have 18 single crochets at the end. For round 4, you're going to do 2 single crochets and an increase, and repeat that all the way around. You'll have 24 stitches at the end of the round. For round 5, do 3 single crochets and an increase, and repeat that all the way around. You'll have 30 stitches at the end of the round. For round 6, do 4 single crochets and an increase, and repeat that all the way around. You'll have 36 stitches at the end of the round. Next, you want to fold your work in half and single crochet the 2 layers together. So go through this side and the back side, make a single crochet, and do that all the way to the end. You can add some stuffing to this if you want to. You can add some catnip if you want to. I'm just going to leave it plain. Once you reach the other side, chain 10 and finish off the yarn. Then you're going to take your ears you made earlier and sew them on either side. The last thing you can do if you want to is embroider a little nose and some eyes on the mouse. I'm not going to do that because my cats will specifically go for them to tear them out, so I'm just going to leave it nice and plain for them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell for when I upload another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!